Hey friends, today we're going to practice a little bit more of two-step word problems. So remember, you can solve word problems by writing the equations. You can use a shape to stand for the unknown value. You can round numbers to check your answer is reasonable, like we practiced at the very beginning of the school year. And my favorite way that we practiced the last couple days to check our answers is the inverse operation. So if you're adding, you can subtract, work backwards and subtract, and if you are multiplying, you can divide to check your answers too, and vice versa. All right, let's go ahead and practice with this example. Rachel picked 42 flowers. She placed those flowers in 7 vases, putting the same number of flowers in each vase. Then she gave 4 of those vases of flowers to her friends. How many flowers did Rachel give to her friends? So what we're going to do first is we're going to go ahead and circle those numbers, those important numbers. I like to read through the problem not 7 times, but 3 times, right? Circling those numbers, going back and saying how many flowers did Rachel give to her friends. So we're going to figure that out too. So step 1, we have to determine the operations. You want to find out how many flowers Rachel gave to her friends. You need to multiply the number of vases she gave to her friends by the number of flowers in each vase. But first, we're going to divide to find the number of flowers in each vase. So we have 42 divided by 7, which equals the unknown. So we put a star for that today. 42 divided by 7 equals the star, and 6 equals the star. So step 3, there are 6 flowers in each vase. Then what we're going to do is we're going to write an equation to find how many flowers Rachel gave to her friends. Use a box to represent the flowers, the number of flowers Rachel gave to her friends. So we have 4 times 6, which equals the unknown. 4 times 6 equals that box, the unknown, and 4 times 6 is 24. Remember, if you don't know those facts yet, that's okay. There's ways to solve them. You can go ahead and do 4 6 times. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. And if you count those rows, we have 6. So that's how you can do it. So take your time. And the same thing over here for division. If you don't know 42 divided by 7 equals 6, make sure you do those rows. You can do the equal groups or those arrays that will help you too. Last but not least, check your answer. Work backward through the problem using the inverse operations. So Rachel gave 24 flowers to her friends. Those 24 flowers were in 4 vases. 24 divided by 4 equals 6, and so there are 6 flowers in each vase. There are 6 flowers in each vase, and 7 vases total. 6 times 7 equals 42 flowers. Rachel picked 42 flowers, so the answer is, dun, 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 correct. Rachel gave 24 flowers to her friends. I love the inverse operation because it's more exact than estimating. So friends, let's continue practicing 2-step story problems tonight, and also keep practicing and checking over your answers with the inverse operations. We'll continue practicing some more in class tomorrow. Thanks for listening, friends. Great job.